7, so at that time in the assembly, some teacher. I did mirror practice 20 to 30 minutes, and I used to do tongue twister. When my teacher started giving us the topic in which we had to speak. So at that time, when I started learning English, I did 2 page writing every day, and Hello everyone, this side of us in Talks Group, and today we are here to discuss about our topic, which is how have we been learning English. So without further ado, let's get started. So today we are going to ask some questions to each other, that how have we been learning English. So let's start it. I have some questions with Atif, so may I ask Atif?
Yes, you.
When did you start learning English, and in the starting what did you do?
I started learning English when I was in the 9th class. I really need to learn English, and when I started learning English, I did 2 page writing every day, and I used to write 5 vocabs every day and learn, and I used to speak English in front of mirror.
Okay. So when you became able to speak normal English, so what did you do to speak it fluently?
When I was able to speak English normally, so I did practice too much. I did mirror practice 20 to 30 minutes, and I used to do tongue twister, and I used to rapid fire to myself.
Okay. Last question. What difficulties did you face while learning?
In the starting, I didn't know how to speak English. I knew only how to read English. Then I talked to my friends, and slowly I was able to speak English.
Okay, I have done.
So may I ask you a question?
Yes, you may.
When did you feel that you should learn English?
When I was in my class 7, so at that time in the assembly, some teachers and students were doing performance, and they were doing performance in English. So at that time, I just realized that when someone speaks English, so it sounds very well, and maybe not sometime, but lots of time the people attract with them, with their words, with their expressions, and with their confidence. So at that time, I just decided that I will also learn English and speak it fluently.
How was your experience while learning English?
In the starting, it was not good because while learning, I have hesitation that how will I do it, and nervousness I also had. But after then time passed, I just learned how to speak English.
Have you ever disappointed to speak or learn English?
Yes, I had. When my teacher started giving us the topic in which we had to speak. So at that time, in a 1 and 2nd month or week, I just used to speak with nervousness. I just used to humble and also stammered. So after some time, I just realized that what am I doing? It is right. Whatever I'm speaking is not. It's just like useless. But when I took some time, and I just realized, and I just started that whenever my teacher used to give me topic, so in the topic I just used to write about it and used to speak in front of mirror, and after that I became able to speak it fluently. So I hope you got my point and you got our point. Thank you for giving your precious time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.